Hey everyone, I'm Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So today I'm basically going to be showing you how to download Olive free video editor. So without any further hesitation, I'm just going to jump right into it. Okay everyone, so this is the official download page for Olive free video editor, and as you can see you've got between three options, so Windows, Mac and Linux. So obviously I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click for on my version, which is Windows. Just wait for that to download now and I'll be back. Okay, so the WinRAR file for Olive has basically been installed, so let's just click on it. Do you want to allow this app from an click yes. And this is the setup wizard for Olive. So click next. I agree. You can choose whatever destination folder you want, but I'm going to go with default. Click install and essentially just let it install. And as you can see, it says Olive has been installed on your computer, so I'm just going to click finish and that's it. Okay everybody, so that is how you install Olive free video editor. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and share the video around to help it rank in search results and basically help the channel grow. And leave any questions or feedback down below or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Take care everybody.